Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Friday, January 17, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right. Well, happy Friday, everybody. So not much range today on today's SPX, only 11 points, but it sure was better than, back here where it was 5 points, right? We got a big move at the end of the day. That's kind of where the majority of the move came from, right? But SPX still continuing to hold trend. RSI's, pointing up. I mean, it's bullish till proven otherwise. So we'll let's hope we got a 3-day weekend coming up. The markets are closed on Monday, so hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed weekend. We'll still be putting the newsletter out this weekend to our members, and looking forward to reviewing this and so we can get more clues into what the market might have in store. So it should be a fun one. So SPX today, again, really choppy day again. Not to the end of the day, we had an inside 15 for a pop in the close. They ripped it at the close again. So continuing to frustrate those bears out there. So this is what it is. So let's take a look at what else we had going on today. So, some of the big ones today, of course, Apple finally pushed its way up at the end of the day, formed a fresh all-time high, and still bullish until proven otherwise. On the other hand, Amazon, a little bit bearish, right? Had a kind of a nasty day, 20-point down move today. Gave a nice pop at the end of the day over 7 points, though, for all you lotto traders. That's a fun one at the end of the day. 7 points on an in-the-money lotto can be make for a real nice end of the day. Real nice. Google. Incredible day, guys. Talk about, the range of this candle here, 24 points on Google today after it hit those. This is on our 15 orb radar today too, right? So it gave a nice pop this morning, right? Held the 15 orb for the most of the day, right? Nice strong candle right here, and then just look at that algo buying right there. It's beautiful. Huge volume at the end of the day too. So big stuff on those. So a couple of the ones that we're looking at, we really like Twitter still. I like how it held up after the downgrade today, which was annoying, but big move up here, nice 15 order breakout here. Slight pullback, double inside 15, back to the highs, and give a nice push at the end of the day. We also have another one that looks interesting, TCOM. That gave some strength in the end of the day, so that's looking pretty interesting right there. And QCOM was another one, looking at all the comms today. So QCOM had a great one today. This is a nice trade for the group here, inside 15 up out of the 15 orb right there. Then it's just a little pullback of the double inside 15 and back up again. And then Roku. A little bit bearish today, but gave a kind of an all-day slow bounce. And last but not least, let's look at SPCE. This is looking pretty interesting. Held up nicely over the... held up nicely. Okay, over the 15 orb high today. After 15 orb break. Gave another inside day today. Getting really tight here. I'm sorry, inside 60, also an inside day. So getting pretty tight up here. The volume's been really good recently, so let's see if we can take an inside day up next week. So again, 4-day week next week. We're off on Monday, so I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed weekend. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you soon.